Hello and welcome back, children. This is Mr. Muzaffar presenting before you the eighth topic of your supplementary or reader. The name of the topic is What Happened to the Reptiles. My dear children, this story is being narrated to Prem by an old man. It is so happened that one day a religious riot broke out in the village where Prem lived. There he is taken care of by an old man who narrates the story of the reptiles to Prem. The old man thinks the story would relax Prem. The story would keep Prem away from this, religious problem, from this religious fight. My dear children, this story is being narrated to Prem by an old man. By an old man. Why he was narrating story to him? He was narrating a story to him. A story one day a religious rite, one day a religious fight, or we can say, my dear children, a religious quarrel took place in Prem's village, and it disturbs the entire village of it disturbs the entire village. It disturbs the entire village, and people were fighting continuously on a religious on a religious basis, my dear students. It is our duty that we should maintain communal harmony. We should maintain communal harmony. We must be secular. We must be secular. We the religions we have here in our country, we must give them equal time to practice. We should not blame. We should not go against any religion. We are same. We should maintain universal fraternity, universal brotherhood. We are one, my dear children. We should not create hatred among religions, among different religions in the world, my dear children. We should live like brothers. We should live like brothers. We should work for the country, and we should keep the decorum of our country. We should develop our country. We should develop our country, and we should give whatever we have in us for the benefit of a country, my dear children. We should never indulge in religious rites. We should never indulge in a religious fight or religious quarrel. We should always think, how can our country go ahead? How can our country move ahead, my dear children? Okay, this is the reason Prem, this is the reason old man narrated a story to Prem. Why he narrated a story to Prem? Because he thinks that he will keep away he will keep away him from this religious right, from this religious fight. This is the reason he narrates a story to him. This lesson is a story of the reptiles, my dear children. This lesson that I am going to teach you, that I am teaching you today, is the story of the reptiles which happened to live a long time ago in the village of Pambupati. There was a village. The name of the village was Pambupati. What was the name of a village? Pambupati. Long time ago in the village, reptiles used to live there. Reptiles used to live there. Their story is being narrated to Prem by an old man. As I have told you, my dear children, their story is being narrated to Prem by an old man. He told him that it is so happened that one day a religious riot broke out in the village where Prem lived. Somehow he managed to run away from the riot ravaged village which was with his wife. He told him that one day there was a quarrel in his village. There was a religious riot in the village, and somehow I managed myself with his wife from that place. There he came now to the village Pambu. Now I am living in a village Pambu, my dear children, Pambupati, several hundred miles away from his own. It was 100 miles from his own home. There he is taken care of by an old man who narrates the story of the reptiles to Prem. The old man thinks the story would keep the minds of the people from writing. It will keep them away from this writing. It will keep them away from this fighting, my dear children. A long ago, there lived reptiles. You all know what a reptile is, class reptile is, like snakes, crocodiles, turtles, lizards in the Pampati forest. In the Pambati forest, every month there would be the meeting of reptiles. Every month there would be the meeting of reptiles whose president whose president would be Makara. Whose president would be Makara, the biggest crocodile of the forest, the biggest crocodile of the forest. Thank you and have a good day, my dear children. Please watch these videos continuously. This will definitely help you to get the to understand the lesson, my dear children. My dear children, whatever I am uploading on group, please have eye on that, and please pen down those things on your notebook. That will definitely help you to go ahead. And second thing, my dear children, this is precious time for you. This is precious time for you. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Work hard. Work hard. If you have any problem, if you have any query, you can ring to any teacher, or you can ring me. I will help you, my dear children. I'm always ready to help you 24 into 7. My dear children, you all know that COVID-19 is here in world today. So you all have to take precautionary measures. Use mask. Don't go away from your homes without any work. When you have work, then only you go out from your homes. If you go away from your homes, then you meet, obviously you meet people, you will friends people. Maybe they may have a symptom, then this can come to your home, and it can affect you, all people, all family members in the home. So my request to you all is that don't go out. Study at your home, and stay safe at your home. Thank you and have a good day.